In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Tools. First, open TradingView in your browser and head to a chart. Any symbol works here. The goal is simply to have a live chart visible so you can practice along. Once the chart loads, give yourself a moment to look around. Most drawing and analysis tools live on the left-hand toolbar, while your cursor options sit near the top. Keeping this layout in mind will make everything faster. Let's begin with the cross. Click the cursor menu and choose the cross option. This replaces your pointer with a precise crosshair. As you hover across the chart, look at the scales on the right and the bottom. You'll see exact price and time values, which is incredibly helpful when you want to pinpoint levels or align entries and exits. If your cursor ever feels off, toggling the cross back on recenters your focus and keeps your analysis accurate. Next, select the trend line from the left toolbar. Click once to start the line at a swing high or low, then click again to set the endpoint. This helps you visualize the direction of price, identify channels, or mark support and resistance. If you want cleaner angles, hold Shift while drawing to snap to straight or 45-degree increments. After placing the line, you can adjust its color and thickness using the mini toolbar that appears, which makes different levels easier to distinguish. Now choose the Brush tool. This is perfect for freehand sketching. Circle patterns, mark zones, or highlight areas that matter. Draw directly on the chart, and if a line looks messy, use the undo shortcut to quickly try again. You can also change stroke width and color so your highlights stand out without crowding the view. Select the text tool to add notes directly on the chart. Click where you want the label and type a short explanation like why a level matters or what you're waiting for. Adjust the font size, color, and background so the note is readable but not distracting. Clear labeling helps you make consistent decisions and keeps your chart understandable if you revisit it later. Finally, click the Measure tool. Click and drag from point A to point B to instantly see price change, percentage move, and elapsed time or bars. This is great for checking risk to reward and understanding how long a move took. Release the mouse to finish, then start a new measure anywhere you need. That's it. By opening TradingView, using the cross for precision, drawing with trend lines, sketching with brush, annotating with text, and verifying distances with measure, you'll analyze charts more confidently and efficiently.